Hey guys, what the fuck is up? Welcome to another video. Today I'm doing Mothership V. I don't even know which part this is, but part something really high up there. You might be asking, why is he so angry? That's because I want to do a really mean, cool looking, but serious smoky eye. And I beat my face so hard for this smoky eye that I'm inspired. So I have all my makeup on. I have a super sick highlight. As you can see, it looks like wetness. My brows are on flake. And I put moisturizer on my lips. So my inspiration for this smoky eye is using BLITZ Flame. And I want it to be super reddish, pinkish, very decadent looking, but super dark as well. And I want it to go all the way out. So let me zoom in and let's see if we can make this happen. So I'm gonna start with the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. And if you're wondering what I'm using for my face, it's exactly the same thing that I've been using in the other video. So the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Foundation mixed with the Bobbi Brown Skin Finish Longwear Foundation. Secret Camouflage, I'm using the Magic Away Concealer from Charlotte Tilbury to cover and illuminate. The highlighter is the same. So it's the Hot Trisp palette together with the Mars highlighter from Milk. Contour is Trinidad from NARS. It's a foundation stick. And it does look different than usual. That's because I put a little bit of squalene oil before putting all this stuff on. So it really makes it melt all together and look smooth. But it is giving me a little extra shine, so I might have to blot myself in a bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna start out by using SKINSHOW Divine Glow, and I'm using the eyeshadow brush from Bobbi Brown. And the application is light because remember we were just using this to help us blend. Now I'm going to go in with entrapment. I'm going to start sketching out the eye. And I'm going to use this ponytail brush from Laura Mercier. So if you're wondering oh my god, I need that brush, it looks like it blends really well. This is an old Laura Mercier brush from an anniversary collection that she had. And you can't get this brush anymore because this is actually made with real hair. All the brushes that she has right now are made with synthetic hair, so they're very, very different. They're not as, I don't think they're as fluffy, as the natural hair brush. And the ponytail brush has a little bit of a point to it, so it kind of draws a line. It may feel a little uncomfortable when you're blending on the socket of the eye. Okay, I'm gonna use this mini Luxie brush. This is the number 131, and it's an angled, tiny brush like that. And I'm just gonna use entrapment again, and I'm just gonna extend the eye out and really play with the shape a little bit. Okay, I'm going to use it on the bottom as well. And I'm going to use this side of the Kat Von D brush to kind of extend the line out. There you go, and now I'm going to build drama. So I'm going to go in with more dark colors and we're going to build it up. I'm going to go back with Dark Paradise and start applying it to the eye and blending it in. Actually, it's not called Dark Paradise. I'm going to go back in with Disobedient and start smoking out the eyes. And I think what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to use a little bit of extreme aubergine on the inner corners to make it more interesting, you know, just to give it a little more color. Okay, you guys, it's coming out really good. Like, I'm really impressed with how fast I am able to do the smoky eye. And I'm gonna do a quick comparison. So compared to the Opulence palettes, the Mothership palette, like the texture and the colors, they're way more addictive. Way more addictive than the Opulence palettes. I don't know why. It's just that every time I put the color on, there's no fallout, it blends easy, and then it keeps turning like a fun shade as I keep applying it. And I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna apply more. And I don't know, did they put cocaine on it? Okay, I'm gonna go back with Disobedient, and we're just gonna use it on the bottom here. Okay, I'm going to use my corner eye brush from Laura Mercier, another discontinued brush. I'm just going to build up the darkness on the edges here. Okay, now I'm going to go back with Entrapment, and I'm going to use this little brush to just kind of blend the edges. Alright, now I'm going to use Extreme Aubergine on the inner corners just so you can see more of the purple. Okay, now that we have all of this on my face, I am ready for Blitz Flame. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get a little bit of ROSEGOLD 005, and I'm going to apply it on my lid, and then I'm going to put the Blitz Flame on top. Okay, now we're ready for Blitz Flame. And now I'm going to start laying down inner corner. I'm going to put ASTRAL Lunar Gold. Okay, I'm going to go put some lashes, eyeliner, finish out the look, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, as you can see, I went all out. I put mascara, I put lashes, eyeliner, wing eyeliner. I threw on a red lip. This one is Forbidden Love, which one of my subscribers said it was my color, so I decided to wear it because it goes well with the shirt. Let me zoom out and give you final thoughts. So really quickly, here's a look. So you can see it's way out there, the smoky eye. I made it super big. It's definitely reshaped my whole face. And I'm just really in love with all of the colors, the pink, the red that goes with my red. I think it's a really cool look, and I love it that it's super, you know, ambiguous. It has like, it's almost genderless because I'm wearing, you know, more feminine makeup, but I'm wearing like a suit. I don't know, it's just like a gender fuck, and it's really interesting to see. As always, if you guys have time, go check out my Instagram. That's where I put photos of these looks if you want to see them in action. Obviously, I'll put a little bit over here too. And you will see the video, you know, of the close-up to see the makeup like real close up, closer than this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the look. I think I succeeded with what I wanted to do. I made the eyes super smoky, super dramatic, just like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. And I am happy that I can wear this eyeshadow with a bold lip, because usually that doesn't happen, you know, usually it comes out ridiculous, like in my Colorgram unboxing review first impressions thing. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and ring the bell button. Don't forget to like and share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.